Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the driver door, power window and power mirror switch. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, to replace the switch you don't need any special tools, you only need a pry tool. Now in my case I will be using this plastic pry tool. If you don't have something similar you can use a flat screwdriver, but in that case be careful not to damage the door or the switch itself. So what you want to do, you want to start from this side and gently get under this switch and pry it up. Just push it up, just like that. Once that is done, you will do the same thing on the other side as well. And you see how simple it is. And then just completely remove it using your hand. And on the back side you will have just one electrical connector to disconnect. Now it's a good idea, before disconnecting any electrical components of the vehicle, to disconnect the battery, just to make sure there is no shorts and nothing burns out. And now to disconnect this, there's like a small black tab just here on top. I hope you can see it. You want to press it and pull out. I might have to use both of my hands to do this, but this is the idea, right? Okay, that's it. And yeah, once you have a new switch, you will just plug it in and just pop it back in place. So yeah, just like I said, push it back in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.